If you like vans, you're not going to want to miss this van tour. Today we're going to show you a 2022 SQUENCE made by Thor. It's a 20A floor plan. I really like it. It's got a pop top too. Let's get into it. Before we jump into the van tour, just want to introduce myself. My name is Scott. Welcome to Go Small, Live Large, a YouTube channel dedicated to the Class B, that would be a van, RV lifestyle. I've been living in my Winnebago Travado full-time since February 2018, so I apply some of my experience to these types of van tours. If you like van tours, if you like going cool places, meeting cool people in your van, subscribe to the channel. Don't miss a single video. Let's jump into it. SQUENCE 20A. Couple things on the outside. This is built on the Ram Promaster chassis. It has automotive glass. It does have an awning, and it's rather mounted on the top. It's mounted on the side. The reason is it has a pop top. We'll talk about that inside. 2-year warranty from the Thor folks. The awning, you can tell by this clip, and there's one in the back, that it's a leg awning, so the awning comes out and then you put a pole and attach it to the van this way. That can be cool, maybe take a little bit more wind than an armless variety. Standard Ram Promaster chassis here. 3.6 liter, front wheel drive, gasoline, 6-cylinder. All of the connections are on this side. So again, automotive glass all the way down. They've got some cutouts here which are pretty nice. 30 amp in, cable TV, thank you for marking. The Truma furnace vent, your propane goes here. Black tank is cassette toilet. Oh, no black tank, cassette toilet. This is for your gray tank, as indicated by the gray handle. Light here, nice. City fill, guessing tank fill as well, but city fill typically means no, that doesn't fit in there very well, does it? There it goes. You're running off city water pressure. Not sure what this is. Got a wine guard system on top, which is great. AC, and this one has a bike rack. American flag sold separately. Let's jump inside. So right with the opening of the door, it has a little bit of a G floor plan feel, right? Kind of open, permanent table that expands, permanent seating. Not sure that converts to a bed, we'll have to see. Here, grab handle, nice. Battery kill switch, nice. Master volt, this is for the lithium system, I'm guessing. And here's your charge controller, okay. You step in this way. Oh, hey, look at this. Screen, nice, I love my screen. Stepping in, this is what we see after kind of checking things out down below is huge skylight. Love that. Very European. And this is the pop top. So this whole thing lifts, much like a Solus, if you're familiar with Solus. So a separate sleeping quarters up above, very cool, with a ladder that would connect here somehow. Ladder is right there. So that's how you would get the kids and the grandkids up on top. Cabinet here, very nice. Pretty firm hinge, but not positive locking. Pretty firm. TV placement, cool, like mine. Probably swings away. That looks like a pretty robust bracket, right? Yep. So that would swing for folks in the back to view. Seating here for 2, and it's pretty comfy. A little on the firm side, maybe. Pretty comfy. I'm giving my butt test here, and I could sit here for a few hours for sure. Love the fact that it has a permanent table. I just love my permanent table, and this expands all the way out. There's probably a bar underneath that makes this hold more firm. So that extends, I'm guessing, at least 36, maybe 40 inches. So very, very nice there. Got outlets down here. Yeah, so here's the brackets. See those, right? Outlets properly placed. Thank you, Thor. 3-point seat belts, so that's cool. Galley, let's look at the galley. Really long cabinet, residential style faucet. Really big sink, very nice. No counter extension, but it's pretty long to start with. 3 drawers. Again, thank you, Thor. These, in my opinion, are so much more practical than skinny drawers. And they do have some degree of positive lock, so that's cool. Controls for the battery system, not active right now, but that's what it is, multiplex, I'm guessing wiring. So here's cubby. Truma controls, probably runs off this too, but this is the primary. Looking down below here, we got our NovaCool fridge. Love NovaCool. Not a big fan of the small college dorm style fridge and freezer combos, but not a lot of place to put that in this floor plan. Dometic, love to see Dometic, really solid brand. Propane, cool. Nice window. Shades. Doesn't retract quite. Kind of this interesting valance thing. Nice little touch, residential. Microwave, standard microwave. And storage here. So this has always been a curiosity to me. Here's a wardrobe, and I'm not sure that a shirt could actually fit in there, long ways. And they've left all this extra storage here. Not quite sure why. In my opinion, this should have been brought out so you would have full ability to use the clothing rack. And then this is more like what it should be, in my opinion. You could probably put shelves in here, I'm guessing. This to me just seems to be wasted space. If you put something here, you can't access this. I know back in the day, the Russos had their Hymer Activ. They had their Berkey water filter system perched here, so you could probably do that. So overall, pretty good. Really good ergonomics. Very functional. Living area up here for sure. I would say the galley, living area number 2. Living area number 3 is the bathroom. Hey, everybody. So cassette toilet, not a fan of those. Showering in here would be pretty tight. You'd be standing over your toilet. Cassette toilet again. Here's the flip down sink. I'm not a huge fan of this because you're spitting into here, and you'd have to use a fair amount of water to kind of to rinse all this out and clean it out. I prefer actually spitting into the drain in the sink versus this thing where it is back here. So a little more cleaning, a little more water, and but hey, it's out of your way in this floor plan. That's the important thing. Medicine chest, very cool. Shower. This door swings around like that, so you don't need a shower curtain. I like the drain is placed here, so it will drain pretty easily. Overall, not bad. Overall, not bad. One piece, very cool. 4th living area, bedroom, bed. This thing can slide across so that you can have a full-size bed with this middle cushion down, or 2 twins. Love that idea. That is super smart. In my case, solo. Most of the time, I would have one bed here, and then I'd probably figure out something to make this like a desk or something like that, because I don't need a second sleeping service. But when we have company or the spouse joins, then they have 2 separate beds, all this hallway. Very cool, very smart. Tons of cabinetry. Look at all this. Wow. Feels pretty solid. I mean, look at this. It goes all the way back. There's our big inverter lithium thing. Inside, I might add. Ooh, that's a rat's nest. Yeah, that's cool to see, I guess. Here's a 3,000 watt inverter, Combi Master. So there you go on that. Ladder to get up top. Windows, these do open out, it looks like, or slide. Maybe it slides. I don't want to mess these guys up. Valance again, reading light. I think the power's out, but cabinetry. Again, these don't stay up. Maybe it can be a tension spring. You see that? So you have to kind of hold this thing up like that to get stuff out. But it goes all the way to the other side, which is pretty awesome. I love that with mine. Hey, bud. Coleman Mach NDQ, tell by these. So great air conditioning system, and really, really nice rig. I'm loving the color scheme. I'm not a fan of the gloss. What do you think? But the floor plan, this is very, very livable floor plan in my book, exception of the fridge and the bathroom, which is kind of a big deal in my floor plan needs, but really nice rig. And these chairs spin around. The new Dodge chassis, you got the screen right there, you see that? So a really solid camper van. I've not been in one of these in a little while. So this is Thor SQUENCE 20A is the floor plan. Want to see the price? Let me show you the price. So this is the MSRP from Thor. So again, it's a 2022 20A SQUENCE. 96 grand is the base price. Here's all the standard equipment. Two options: retractable rooftop with sleeping area. That's $11,000. And then they've got the power pack electrical system. I'm guessing that's lithium because the price tag is 26 grand for that. If you can pull the trigger, I would recommend getting lithium. It just gives you so much more freedom. And on a per monthly payment basis, assuming you're going that route, it's really, just dollars. So that's the price, $133,883 for a 2022 SQUENCE 20A floor plan by Thor. So I would put this on your list if you got grandkids and a pop top is really important to you. I'm pretty impressed by the build quality. It feels more solid than the ones I've been in at the RV shows. So maybe Thor's up their game. It just feels really solid. I'd say I'd put it on par with Winnebago. The floor plan, very attractive to me. If you're familiar with their Hymer Activ, they're gonna say it's kind of a me too, and I would agree with you. I could absolutely do this floor plan if the bathroom was a little bit better configured. Don't want cassette toilets. And the galley fridge, probably could live with that, but pretty small. But overall, this floor plan is a home run in my book. What do you think? Learn anything? Give it a thumb up if you like this rig. If you don't like it, hit the thumbs up button twice. Sure appreciate that. Comment below. Again, like this rig? What do you like? What don't you like? Is it on your list? With that, let me show you the manufacturer pictures from their website and the specifications as listed at the beginning of September 2021. You can see all the specs there. Until we see you soon, I wish you to journey on. See ya.
As a young girl, the fields were mine. We played hide and seek for hours, raised our shadows among the pines. So offshore, playful and free, without a care in the world. I was one rich little girl, daydreamer, kidnap me, take me back, all the way back to them days, running around in a gown and a crown, barefoot. No mistake ever kept me late. We spent summers.
Hey folks, just want to introduce you to Stacey Smith here at Albuquerque, La Mesa. Just an amazing guy. Really focused on Class Bs, right? That's your forte?
Yeah, I like the Class Bs. Get people out there having fun.
Quite a collection of vans here.
Yes, we do. And
any bestsellers?
What we have.
What we have.
Yeah, that's been kind of the thing lately, yes.
Which is kind of my next question. What's the best way to get in touch with you and find out what you actually have in inventory?
Yeah, you can call the store here. You can call me on my cell phone, 505-697-2564. And yeah, I'm pretty easy to get a hold of.
He's really been very gracious to let us access some of these vans. So a big thumb up for giving us some time. And if you're curious about vans, and a lot of people are, hit up Stacey because he'll hook you up.
Right on. Thank you for that.
And his information is down below.
Yeah, cool. Thank you.